Doon tayo sa sa mga para alam mo hindi naman dahil i-PR natin sila kundi kung ano man yung mga sabihin nila sisingilin natin sila in the future. No, unahin natin sino ba? Ang presidente.
Si
Meron
PBBM.
ba? Meron ba siya sinabi?
Meron siya sinabi, pero
Okay.
eto, sabi niya, as we step into 2026, I therefore call on every Filipino to embrace the year with discipline, confidence, and a shared commitment to our nation's progress. For beyond personal resolutions, the new year calls on us to examine how we live with one another, how we lift one another, and how our choices shape our nation. A society thrives when its people choose empathy over indifference, service over self-interest, and hope over despair. It is thus our commitment in the government to be relentless in pursuing a bagong Pilipinas that nurtures unity, fosters compassion, and showcases the greatness of our kababayan. May we move forward with a clearer understanding of our role in each other's lives and renewed commitment to building a future shaped not by circumstance alone, but by strength of our will and the clarity of our collective purpose.
O pakinggan naman at panoorin natin ang sinabi ni Vice President Sara Duterte.
Iwaksina natin ang anumang pag-aalinlangan at takot. Hayaan nating mag-alab muli ang ating tapang at determinasyon. Sa bawat pagsubok, lalabas tayong mas matatag. Itinuring natin ang bagong taon na paanyaya upang magkaisa at magsimula ng may panibagong pananaw. Naway maging mas maliwanag at maunlad ang ating panibagong simula. Mahalin natin ang Pilipinas.
Simula
Siyempre,
po.
Sorry, ang naisip ko, uso ba yung ganong hairstyle? Ba't pareho sila ni Yusek Claire?
Oo
Ay,
nga.
oo, naka-ganon.
Ganon.
One-sided,
Hindi may clip na
Oo,
ganon,
oo.
di ba?
Sa simula po ng ating programa, pinakita natin ang mga ganap sa Vatican. Merong statement din syempre. Hindi ba statement? Parang feeling of prayer to or message,
message,
from Pope Leo. Nasanay pa ako kay Pope Francis.
Ako
Si
din,
Pope
muntik na
Leo.
masabi.
Actually naman.
Sabi niya, at its end, the Church invites us to place everything before the Lord, entrusting ourselves to His providence and asking Him to renew in us and around us in the coming days the wonders of His grace and mercy. Yan po ay mula kay Pope Leo.
Ay, si Pope Leo. Oh.
Okay, so, naku, may oras pa ng konti, Si Yusek Claire, naalala mo ba? So, ano itsura niya kanina?
Ay, wala. Nasa abroad siya.
Nasa abroad ba?
Doon siya nagbakasyon siya. So, tingnan natin kung I assume magre-resume ang normal operation talaga on Monday kasi
Next week
we're
na.
waiting for the signing of the 2026 national budget. So, ang naunang sinabi ni Executive Secretary Ralph Recto, July 5, most likely pipirmahan. Tingnan natin kung matuloy. Kung
Tingnan
tapos na
natin,
sila.
tingnan natin.
Oo. Pero eto, tinanong kasi namin si Yusek Claire kung nasan ba si PBBM ngayong New Year. Ang sagot niya, nandito lang. Sabi niya, ang Pangulo ay narito lamang at walang pagbibiyahe na magaganap. Kasama niyang sasalubungin ng bagong taon ang kanyang pamilya at mga mahal sa buhay.
Stay put si Pangulo.
So dito lang. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya nag-abroad.
Correct. Okay,
Oh.
so si Senate President Tito Soto, meron din yatang sinabi. 2025 was a comeback year for him sa public service after 3 years of life as a private citizen. Humbling experience daw, coming from the minority to being elected as a Senate President in the middle of one of the largest controversies that challenged the institution. The last 6 months comprises of whirlwind national issues, both in the Senate and the country as a whole. Mahaba ang kanyang sinabi, pero ang kanyang mensahe, dapat daw sa guidance ng ating Panginoon, may we be able to continue to serve the public with utmost sincerity and honesty in 2026.
Yeah.